I'm making this video for all Cayenne owners and other Porsche models which may experience this problem with their trim pieces. These pieces here and so forth. Not all of them are going to have this problem, but basically the problem I had with this piece, which I end up solving, as you can see I'm pushing on it, there's no noise. It's a creaking noise, which when you hit potholes or just general road, you would hear it. It sounded just like this. So basically what's going on is there is a play underneath here. There's like a little bit of a gap, okay, that's causing this. So you can stick a lot of different stuff in there, but I'm using these right here, and just cut a piece here. It's they call them felt material of some sort, and like I said, you can use anything really. All you basically are doing is jamming the basically you're just jamming it underneath. Now this sticky material in here, so if you want the sticky material to work as well, to maybe just hold it in place, what you're going to do is you're going to put some water or hand sanitizer here on the back when you peel this, and that'll allow you a few seconds or so to push it in. And what you're going to do is you're going to push it in with a credit card of some sort, some plastic material so you don't damage the leather or the plastic, and you're just going to push it in and push it in different angles until you get it all the way in. I did it here, and you can shove as much as you want in there. I mean, you can't harm anything until this goes away, because it is really annoying when you go over bumps and you hear, your supposedly expensive car sounding like a lumber wagon. So this again applies to any Porsche, any car really. This vehicle, I did have other noises as well coming from inner part of this, and I still do a little bit. And there's some plastic material. I mean, these new Porsches unfortunately are more plasticky than the previous, and it's kind of sad, but everything is plastic. So what you can do is just grab this stuff and start jamming it under and inner and putting it over stuff. You can remove parts and put it underneath of it. I mean, you can even hear it in the door handles. I'm not sure how to fix that. I guess you would have to like shove it in the middle. I guess you could carefully, but yeah, so that's the world we live in now, is a bunch of plastic everywhere. So just keep that in mind. This stuff, or you can go to Home Depot and grab some other stuff, might be similar, but it has like a fabric type feel to it. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps some people.